Be careful with the stairs.
Areas, so please make sure that the people around you are able to hear. That way we can all have a good time and enjoy the ride. A question that everybody has, where are the restrooms? Car number 1 is not turned on today because it's needing a little bit of work, but since we do have brakes on the train, the brakes power the plumbing, so the restrooms actually work in that car. So if you happen to be up there for some reason, what this means for you, it being an electric body, is it's twice as complicated to operate as a normal one. Instead of one button, there are 2. You don't press and hold each one of those buttons for 3 seconds. Then it'll do what it's supposed to do, alright? Now these train cars are old. The youngest one was built in 1955. The oldest one was built in 46. So if something's not working right, let me know. That way we can try to do something about it. But it is a museum. Everything is old. It is one break.
Pretty much the whole time along this river. So, yep. If you guys are like big fans of hiking or anything, phenomenal trails right here. That's called the Love Trails. It's only about a 10 negative print. You get to go figure out what's on top and down here next to it. It's a beautiful view. Yeah, however, yeah, it's pretty good. That's the Hiwassee River, so you're probably chasing it the entire time. Just keep an eye on the river through this because it will change. It's very different.
Like a lot of the prints and negatives are still building.
So where are you guys out of?
When they finish it, I'll show you later.
The only real things I only really know like along 75. So it's about I go through there all the time. I think I go there all the time. It's huge.
We moved away from it.
It depends on where you go. It's like, I've been the one in Richmond at like 4 a.m. and it's just it's like good prime time. Big time for people like college families. This river is phenomenal for trout fishing. This is an excellent trout fishing river.
I kind of wish it was some gear.
So brook trout are native here, but our wildlife resources agency, they stock like 3,000 rainbow, brown, and brook. So there's a bunch. So, and unlike the neighboring Tellico River, they put them in youngs.
After 7th grade.
Yeah, these railroad floods.
Farming and logging with dad. Look at here. The right train to the mines. The lowest to the left is the second traveling outfitter. That would be Hiwassee Outfitters. Out of sight from the train is the third one, Outdoor Adventures. Any one of the 3 is a good choice.
Yep. So this is normally the ending point for most of them. So I'll point out whenever we get further up. I'll point out where they start them off at. So because you
Tell them about it. We haven't done it yet. They knew of it. We haven't done it.
It's a like 3 to 5 hour trip, but it's class 1 and 2 rapids with a couple
In the
bits
spring?
or right now. It's like
Right now, even?
This is a very, very calm river. I don't know. You have to research
Okay,
that.
I have to do some research.
Yeah, but this
Talked
one,
about doing it somewhere.
Yeah, this is a hot spot. Wonder what this area is called.
But yeah, it's a lot calmer. It's nothing crazy.
I'm not sure.
It's family friendly.
That's your
Privately held land to pass before we completely enter the national forest.
This is-
Apparently there's a few of them that have decided they like to take their winter vacation on the Hiwassee River, where they're not supposed to be at all, but they're here. Pope's. Now Pope's was owned by the Pendergrass Lumber Company. They had a sawmill, a logging railroad, company store, and company houses up here at Pope's. But with the formation of the Cherokee National Forest, it's not
Huh? Oh, yeah. The bridge. Look at
This trestle bridge that we just went over. see the track there. That's a lot easier to see the track.
And it's got full with the track below. Now people ask me, is that the original vessel that they built when they built this railroad? Well, it's like your great grandfather's hatchet.
Run and see it.
Look straight down and you'll see the track.
Yeah.
You can really get the whole structure behind us. There it is.
We're on it. If you look out the back, you'll see it. Hurry up.
And now we're out of the loop.
Now we're out of the loop.
I got it.
So our next big thing, remember that powerhouse? We're gonna pass by the dam and lake for it. It's very, very hard to notice because it's way.
Because it had been invented, but they didn't want to pay the price. Right now on the left side, be looking for the Appalachian Dam and Lake Appalachian.
We discovered you can turn a chair around. It's so much better.
Well, they belong to TVA. You cut down TVA's trees, there's pretty good fine, maybe even a little vacation house.
They sure already has.
The only one who can beat Simone Biles is Simone Biles.
Probably.
Yeah.
She does things nobody else, they can't, they don't even attempt because they can't do it. It's hard to beat somebody who has moves named after them while they're still competing.
There you go, just ran by.
Yep. Yep, we saw it.
Yep.
It was awesome. It was like that far.
Yeah, it'll get pretty close.
It better.
Oops, sorry.
No, you're all right.
Yeah, no pressure. Let's see how much of a coupling you do.
Are we all watching him?
Oh, I'm sure we will feel it before.
Oh yeah, you'll feel it.
Double check.
That's close to switch. That'll be a short track.
Let's say he was resetting the derail.
Slot didn't lock all the way. All right, so back up towards the Farner. It is the block. Look, that's 5. Just on the way when you're ready, sir.
Double check.
Open right.
Why don't they just push it back?
Well, because then you'd have to have someone on the back end standing right there and doing nothing but radioing what he sees.
Oh, you're right.
You'd
Yeah,
have
so
to
they
go.
can say they're watching. You're
Yeah, they couldn't go track speed either.
right. You're right.
Well, I know what they did one time. They just had one on each end.
Right, so they can just run it one way or the other.
Yeah, but the difference is that they determined that the amount of fuel that's just wasted from an engine not running.
Yeah, the restrooms are in
Right,
the
you
next
might as well
car.
have it like this where both engines can pull half as hard and get the same amount of
You're
efficiency.
right. You're right. You're right. All right. Everybody stay there or record.
Here's my video.
Hold on now.
Oh, here he comes the train. Hooking us up.
Thank you, sir.
Not everybody also the same.
This is gonna hurt. Hold on.
I think he got it. I think we're hooked. Hey, you want to climb that chair? I see your video.
That's all right.
There he is. There he is. Right there.
Now you can see him. Oh,
Yep,
yeah.
there he is. Right there.
Just a second.
Look at that.
Yeah.
What's that? He's holding.
Yeah, right there.
Looks amazing.
Car number 5 has no coach seating at all. It is a total sleeper observation lounge car. We would no observation seating. It also uses a generator to power the car number 4 because it doesn't have it all.
Part of the track seems more.
They came out of the largest locomotive
Sitting there.
locomotive, 1838 locomotives. Built in 1970 for the Penn Central Railroad. Now, GM didn't want to sell those locomotives to Penn Central because they knew Penn Central was going to fail. So they put them on a 15-year lease, and then Penn Central did indeed become the biggest bankruptcy in U.S. history until Enron in 2008. As you leave today, do drive safely. Turn right out of the parking lot, which everybody has to do. You're going to find yourself on Highway 411 this morning. Well, just go 10 minutes north of the Hiwassee. I've got Castillo's and Mixed Lake, which makes next. One of those two that you can't miss from this ticket line. Castillo's and Mixed Lake takes the next town. On past there. You've got Michael's, which has a lot of different things. Good variety, hamburgers, catfish, shrimp, salads. Their food is amazing. Barbecue, ribs. I've never been to Michael's, you got Peppo's Burrito Bar. You can customize your taco salad at Peppo's. Same place you customize your sandwiches. All kinds of fries.
Just slamming. Just
Everyone
gonna
in your group can go in
hold
there
it
and order.
down.
I like this one better than kids' week.
Welcome to the
Yeah.
region to the south. That's how it goes. Alrighty, well, I hope you guys enjoyed today.
Thank you.
Yeah, you guys were a great crowd. Hope you guys stay somewhat dry.
There's our truck.
I know we're not, so it's whatever. We'll be alright.
Well, are you done now today?
Once we go run stuff around, pretty much, yeah, shut stuff down, heading home.
Wow.
It's a
Well,
flowing.
have a great rest of your day.
Yeah, you guys as well.